Hello and welcome to another video. If you've got status LEDs like this one, which are blindingly bright, there's a very simple fix to get rid of them, and I would like to show it to you. And the fix is pretty easy. So you take your wall plug or whatever you've got, and then you get yourself from your local, I don't know, in Germany it's called Drogerei, like drugstore or supermarket or wherever you can get cosmetics. You get yourself the cheapest nail, what is it called? Nail polish, gel nail polish in white for white components and in black for black components. And yeah, you just unscrew it. I'm no specialist in nail polish, but you take a bit of nail polish and get a blob of nail polish on that status LED. So this looks nice and thick. All right, so this will now take a few minutes to harden, and after that, this is not transparent, so your status LED will not be visible anymore, and obviously it will not blind you at night. But yeah, the downside is obviously, let me just get some clamps on here so it can rest by itself. Well, get on. Okay. The downside is obviously you don't see the status LED anymore. I must say it depends a little bit. I have used the white nail polish before, and there was a light, very dim shimmer through the nail polish, but with black, yeah, you don't see anything, and that is exactly what I want for this application. So welcome back. You see I have turned off the overhead lights to reduce the light levels overall, and you see there is no light coming from the wall plug anymore. So our black nail polish has effectively sealed and yeah, fully covered up the LED, and I think this is a perfect result. As already mentioned, works great with white and works with black. I haven't tried any other colors, that's up to you. For my appliances or for my needs, black and white is just fine, and as you see here, very good result. So just a little fix for those nasty LEDs blinding you.